एसएजीन कंपाल ग्राउंडार 2 नव्यो क्रिकेट पिच लॉन्च केल्यात. हाचो फायदो करून घेवपाक सगळ्या खेळगड्यांक एसएजी तर्फेन आपवणे.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, Honorable Minister for Sports Tavadkar sir, we want this Kampal ground to be used for sporting facilities. And you can see today, now, if this was not kept for sports facilities, probably they would not have been able to play here today. So we ensure that this ground is protected and maintained for only sports facilities, maybe cricket or other. You can see archery is also going on here. So I congratulate all, and also BNI has helped. When this pitch is being curated, they and their team has also helped in terms of other support, and this pitch is ready and they are playing today their tournament here. I am really happy to see such infra is made available for people to play in Panaji, and I think all of us should treat this infra as or any facility as their own facility and take care of the facility. Not only that, the government will always look after all what I would say the maintenance, but sometimes the people who play and people who are using it should also consider that is my property. Then only I think management would be better. Government always there to promote sports among the athletes.
पुरुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी.